Hello everyone. I just thought I have to bake a pie. Here is apple crumble pie. And I have this pre-cooked 3 to 4 cups apple for 20 minutes, and I add a teaspoon of cinnamon and a half a cup of sugar for 20 minutes. And I have to pour this in a pie crust. Here I have a and I have to make a toppings. And this is 3/4 cups of flour and 1/3 cup of brown sugar and half a cup of no, it's not, a 1/4 cup of margarine or butter. I have to mix this. And this butter. Called it a crumble topping for this pie. And I already preheated the oven for 350 degrees. Brown sugar is kind of tough. It's hard. Pour this topping on top of this one. To put this in a oven. There. For about 20-25 minutes. Here's my apple crumble pie, guys. And it's ready to eat. You can eat with ice cream or just like this. Okay, thank you very much, guys, for watching my video. And don't forget to subscribe and share. Bye-bye. Thanks a lot.